Many times the question comes that using Atlassian tools, how should we start the project? So the context is you are trying to create a product backlog. You have some themes in your mind, but you want to make sure that those are translated into a tool. So at that point of time, what should you do? So what I've seen is uh, using story mapping technique. It really helps to shape up the initial product backlog. So as part of this discussion or session, I would like to take an example of email client, and we will define certain initial big feature and then slice them up further and see like how they will get translated into Atlassian tools. So for instance, you see over here the picture of a story map of uh, email client, and two big features are organize email and manage email. It is important to really define the boundary of these big features. So we ask questions: what exactly the organized email really means? So that translates into search email and file emails. And similarly, manage email feature may translate into compose email, read email, and delete email features. If we think about these features themselves, it may look like from a common sense point of view they make sense, but immediately we feel that they need to be broken further, because when you say search email, then you have to understand what exactly search email really means and define the scope around it. And that's what we are trying to do over here. So first immediate thing which we want to do is search by keyword, and there are other search as well: limit search to one field, limit search to one plus field, search attachments, search subfolders. Fine. But from the immediately we need a search by keyword, and that may be sufficient for the initial release. Similarly, for file emails, we have move emails and create emails sub features. And if we go towards manage email, then we have compose email is the sub feature. But then if you want to translate into what exactly that they mean from the user story point of view, then we talk about create and send basic email, send RTF email, send HTML emails, set email priority. So whatever feature, sub story or stories we see from top to down, it looks like they become a little bit more advanced. So in the initial release, it may make sense that we may have a minimum viable product or minimum viable features which can be given to the end user. So as we see this background, then let's see like how that get translated into Atlassian based tools. So here we are. Uh, so what I want to do is first of all translating those features into the story map, and for the story mapping we have a plugin called Story Map. Fine. And if you see, then we will find a story map HEX demo map as a story map for these features. If we go right here, if we try to uh, try to see them stories by epic link, then we see that organize email and manage email as epics. But if you want to see how these stories are mapping with each other and how they are related with each other, then we can use stories by relates to and out. So here we see that search email may mean all these features which we mentioned in the image, and similarly for file emails as well, for compose email as well. Only thing missing is that on top of search email and file email, there should be yeah, epic link. Right now it is not coming, so I have to see like how that can be uh, that can come from using this plugin. But for now, you can see like the whole image has been translated into a story map. So the good thing about it is that you can see the product backlog in a pictorial view. So when you want to say that, okay, fine, these are some of the stories from the search email perspective. So what should I take from the release 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0? So you can see that those are broken already. So in the release 1.0, you have search by keyword, move emails, create subfolders, and for the compose emails, you have some other stories. Similarly, for the release 2.0, you have some other set of these user stories, and the same thing happens for the 3.0 as well. So first and foremost thing which you see from the Atlassian project point of view, that you can translate your big features and subsequent smallest user stories into this user story map. And now we will go back into a board of a project, and then we will see like how the releases are defined, how epics are defined, what is the relationship between the story map and then the whole board. So that we will talk about it in the next video.